Z.M.S.C Modelworks. Today we're doing a review on some products here from Scott Popham over at Futur Attractions. These are his V-Series wheels in 1 1/25 scale, as well as his tires that go with it. So we've got 4 bags here. We've got the VSE Weld V-Series 25 wheels in the rear, and the series for the front. So these are WVSE2R for the rear and WVSE2F for the front. Both bags contain the turned aluminum rims, as well as a photo-etch piece for the center spokes. The front also contains what looks to be wheel spacers here. There's 2 of those. And then we've got, for these ones particularly, I asked him if he could send me the wheels and tires that fit those particular wheels. And we've got the rear slicks here, RU1432-2, and then RU-FTI FR2 for the skinnier front runner tires. So let's go ahead and open these up and have a look inside with a little bit more detail. So in the bag here, a nice printed sheet of instructions, how to polish them and how to trim them. So a good set of easy to read and clear, concise instructions, which is a bonus. Let's just bring you in a little closer. Okay, so for the main fret, we've got the spokes here on some aluminum. Let's just go ahead and check what he's using for that. So this particular aluminum or sheet metal is 0.155 or 40 mil. So it's a very thick, well, not very thick, but a fairly thick photo etch here, which should stand up to use and abuse for wheels at least. It could take some weight. And then we've got the turned aluminum centers here, which are already, I'd say, pretty well polished, straight from the factory, from Scott himself. And then we've got, I think these are 3D print. Yeah, these are 3D printed. These hubs here. So all in all, very nice. Let's go ahead and look at the rear hubs. So again, turned aluminum, nicely polished. No burrs on the edge either, so it's been clean polished, or clean finished and polished. And then we've got the main photo etch fret here. Looks very, very nice. Moving on to the tires. Have a look at the rear ones here first. And you can see they're a little bit dirty, but that's just the some soap and water will clean that off. That's just the mold release. But no, there's just the one sort of fill stem here from the mold. Other than that, it's clean across the entire tire, and this feels like, I think this is almost real rubber, because these feel, you know, very, very close to a soft racing bias ply tire. But very, very nice profile. And then scuffing this up a bit could give you some wear detail on it. Same goes for the second one here. Just the mold release powder on there. And again, no seam mark down the middle. Very nice finish and texture to the rubber. And then for the front runner tires, same deal as far as material and finish goes, as well as the cleanup. But you can kind of see here the tread pattern that's lightly grooved in is very, very highly detailed. That's very, very nice. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to build these up and get them sort of finished up, and then we'll have a look at what these look like once they're fully assembled. Alright guys, so we finished building the wheels here. I've got the rear wheel, the photo etch cut out, installed from the back side, and with the front facing out. You can tell by the turned lip there which way is out and which way is in. And very nice, even though the aluminum photo etch has like a matte finish, they're still removable, so you can polish that up and paint it whichever way you need, and then paint it whatever you need, and then you can always put it back in to the wheel. So that's for both rears done. As you can see, we cut out that sprue nub here, or the pour spout for the tire. So very nicely done. And the fronts here, again, are all finished. They're still removable. You can see there's a turned lip for the inside and for the outside, and then you just put it with the front facing out. Again, non-polished surface on the photo etch, so you're going to need to polish that up before putting it in if you want it, you know, detailed. And then you can see our tread pattern. Looks very nice on the wheels. So all in all, a very nice, very well detailed set from Futur Attractions. And yeah, I'm definitely going to use a few more of these for future drag builds. He's got quite a few more little products that I'm looking to try out, so keep your eye out for more reviews on that stuff. So once again guys, if you liked the video, go ahead and like and subscribe. If you want to tell me something or let me know something, write it down in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.